there's actually a pause in the rain. It's been raining all day today, and I'm gonna run out to the garden. And so this is the bag of seeds I was telling you guys about that I've been harvesting, where I planted and they all fell out. I put them in the Ziploc bag. I have, oops, hold on. Okay, technical difficulties. I have in this first bed corn, and I want to plant another round of beans right here. So this is the 2 bean beds. The beans I've been harvesting are from this bed right here. You just ate one. So the beans I've been harvesting is from this bed. This I planted like 2 weeks after, so I haven't been harvesting here yet. But then I have this bed of corn, and I want to plant some bush beans between the corn. So I'm gonna have my girls, there are some weeds growing around the corn, and so I'm gonna have my girls pull the weeds, plant these beans. And what I'm gonna do is, that's just a variety, I don't know what they are. I'm going to plant, this is Ideal Market. It's a pole bean. You guys are fuzzy. And so I have this Forever Garden bed where we dug out the onions, and since it's a fence behind it, I'm gonna plant this Ideal Market at the back of the fence so that they can grow up the fence. Then I also have I have some other seeds, and then in the front I'm gonna plant some flowers. So I have some white marigolds, some pincushion and cosmos, 2 different pincushions and cosmos. I don't know how. I'm sure the marigold would do fine. I've never planted cosmos and pincushion this late, but I'm gonna try it and see what happens. And then last but not least, I also have that corn that I was looking for a while ago with you guys. Oh, you found the purple one?
Mm-hmm. The purple one.
Did you taste it?
No.
Are you gonna taste it?
Yes. Did you eat all the cucumbers from me?
Cucumbers?
I mean,
these are beans, and the beans are over here. Does it taste different?
Another purple one.
Does it taste different?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Less juicier.
What do you think, Nia?
Here's the green one.
You don't like the purple one?
Huh?
You don't like the purple one?
Tasting the difference. Oh no! I like the green one better.
The green one better?
Yeah, the green one.
The green one better? That's funny. So where is it? Okay, it rained so hard, and so this is gonna be interesting. But I grew this corn last year. It's right here, and it's rained on this. I left it outside, so it's rained on here a few times. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I left it at this bed. This bed is empty. And last but not least, I'm gonna plant all of that corn. That corn is a grinding corn that I grew, so it's gonna be its 2nd year growing in my garden. And so I'm really happy to grow it. I am going to plant them maybe 6, I want to say 6 inches apart. We'll see, we'll come back to that, but that's gonna be the last thing I'm gonna do, and hopefully I can do all those things before it starts raining again. I just came out here. This is my first time out here today, and I looked over, and I'm gonna show you. I have 2 of my first zinnias that I planted from seed that have opened up, and they're so beautiful. That one's not opened fully, but look at that one. It's so pretty. It's a lime green. I'm guessing it's called the Envy. And wait, you guys are eating grapes? The grapes ain't even ready.
I know, but it's sour, but it's tasty, but it's sour.
It's because it's not ready, child, so of course it's gonna be sour.
But it's tasty.
They're not ready.
Hi, Mom.
You ate one?
I'll say I ate 3.
It's not ready. Of course it's sour. They're not ready. Oh my goodness, that's so funny.
Can I taste one?
You can taste one, but they're not ready.
They are too strong.
They're not ready.
Yeah.
Let me taste it.
It tastes good, Mommy. Super sour. Yummy! Sour!
Oh, it tastes like lemon.
Have one more.
Stop picking them. We want to wait till they're ready. Whoa.
I think I bought a whole tree.
That's super lemony. My girls are silly. Okay. For the ideal market, pole beans, I'm just gonna plant them every few inches. I actually have some pole beans growing where my bush beans are, and I think it's this because I didn't realize this was a pole bean until a few minutes ago when I was gonna plant it again as a bush bean, and I looked it up to see what it looked like and realized it was a pole bean. And granted, it does not say that it's a bush bean. I don't know why I thought it was a bush bean. But I'm glad I realized it was a pole bean because I do have some pole beans growing in the bush bean bed, and I was wondering what they were. So this is called Ideal Market. I'm gonna put that at the back of the bed, and then in the front I have this pin cushion, these Cosmos, and this pin cushion is a mix. This one is the Black Knight, and then I have these white marigolds. I'm just gonna sprinkle these all over. I didn't use this whole pack of the pin cushion mix because it was quite a lot of them, and we shall see how that bed turns out. I don't know how much I'm gonna get done of this because it's already starting to drizzle, and if I do get any of this done, because I want to, it will probably be off camera since it's already starting to drizzle. I hear it. It's actually the next day. It's Sunday. We got home like an hour ago from church, and I came out to the garden to just look around, and I saw the biggest caterpillar on my tomato plants in the hoop house, and so I got that off. I didn't bring the camera with me. And then yesterday I did finish planting that corn, and I did some trimming back of the basil plants in this in-ground bed right here. Some of the basils were blocking, so I have dwarf tomatoes in here, and some of the basils were blocking them, specifically like this. There's a tomato here, and these basils were blocking, and so I trimmed down a lot of basil. I didn't bring the camera with me, it was just off camera, and I had no intention on coming out and filming today, but I have a bunch of, yes, there's a bunch of zucchinis, don't pull that one yet. There's a bunch of zucchinis ready to be harvested, and cucumbers, and you know how that happens if you leave them for any day longer than they're meant to be. They're gonna turn ginormous and baseball size, and there's already a zucchini here that's baseball size, and so we're gonna pick that. And then also Nehemiah picked blueberries. Did you guys eat all those blueberries? Yeah, so she picked a handful of blueberries today. They were really delicious. I got to taste one. So missed my first blueberry harvest, but the kids really enjoyed it, and we have lots more blueberries that is going to soon be ready. But I want to go ahead and, Nehemiah, do you want to pick the squashes? Okay, so do you know how to pick them? So you just take the squash and you twist it, and it will pop off. Yeah.
This hurts.
Yeah, it's spiky. So yeah. Yep, there you go. So that one's already really, really big. And then there's a green one over on this other side. Yes, Nail?
Those grapes over there, and they were yummy.
Grapes? You mean blueberries?
Yeah, blueberries.
Yeah, they found another one?
Yep.
No, we're gonna leave that one. It's a little small, but there's a green one over here that is really big on this side, Nia. You can get that green one. Yep, there you go. And I think there is I don't know, maybe we can leave those yellow and green ones till tomorrow. Let me go look. Yeah, it's a winter squash. Yeah, we can leave those yellow and green ones till tomorrow. They'll be fine. And we got some smaller ones that will be fine. Well, don't hit them because look, they scar really easy. We'll bring those inside. You can run those inside. There's some summer squash or winter squash that I planted over here, and they're actually starting to form a honey boat. So it is a small version of that one didn't get pollinated. Oh, right there. Honey boat, I'm pretty sure, is a smaller version of the butternut squash. And then there's another one over here. That one looks like it's called delicata, and that's a winter squash. And then there's a black futsu, which is a circle one. I am trying to grow lots of winter squash this year. Because so that we can have them for long-term storage. I've talked about this, but my goal this year is definitely to see how much food I can grow, and I've been weighing it. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see that? This is called a gold nugget, and it's literally almost, that's almost completely gold. Oh, that's amazing. I'm gonna have to get out here soon and do another garden tour because it's already so much have changed. And there's a strawberry. Oh, there's so much stuff I want to show you, but I'm gonna save it for our garden tour. But I'm glad we got those squashes picked. Oh yeah, it's not. Oh, it was already off?
I guess.
Oh, it's not all the way red. So I'm gonna leave you guys and go inside. I thought there was more. I thought when I looked out here earlier there were more squash to be harvested, but I guess it was just those two really. I'm gonna. No, thank you. It's not ripe all the way.
Tastes good though.
Well, that's good. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.